Hey guys, Kroski here, and I'm going to be walking you through how to simulate a Crazyhouse960 interface using the Lichess Study app, using a Fisher random chess position generator on chessgames.com, and I will link this in the YouTube comments. And if you want a timer, you can just use a third-party timer of your choice. If you're not familiar with what Fisher Random or Chess960 actually is, it's a variant developed by Bobby Fischer, which essentially just randomizes the starting position. So it just randomizes your back rank pieces and gives you a novel position straight from the get-go. So it does away with all opening theory. And essentially what I'm trying to do is just layer those rules on top of the Crazy House variant. So we're taking Crazy House and making it even crazier. It's a lot of fun. It's chaotic, but it's a lot of fun. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it here. So from the Lichess analysis board, I'm just going to go ahead and make a study. And okay, so my study, make this invite only. And it's important to turn off computer analysis and opening Explorer so nobody can see that and nobody can see that. Just so there's no arrows popping up on the board telling you what to do. Naturally, don't want to make this an engine game. So I'm going to go ahead and start, make this study. And okay, so each chapter you make is going to be how you're going to modify the board. So if we just hop on over to this window here, and we can just create however many new positions you want. That one looks fun. So let's go ahead. I'll go ahead and put this onto the board in the Lichess study just to illustrate what I'm talking about. So rook, king, bishop, bishop, queen. Rook, king, bishop, bishop, queen. And knight, knight, rook. Knight, knight, rook. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and mirror this from the black side. And now we have our custom Fisher random starting position. Okay, so white to play and castling rules do apply. Orientation white, that's fine. You can just change that directly from the Lichess study interface if you want to play white or black. And then variant Crazy House. So we've got our Fisher random starting position with Crazy House rules and drop rules. Okay, so create chapter. And there we go. We have our Fisher random starting position. And you can see we can just play through this. And just to illustrate that Crazy House rules do apply when you take a piece, then you can drop them back on the board. So, okay. I think that's just about it, actually. If you did watch the YouTube video I just put up, my friend and me, Fishy Vishy, and myself played what I think is actually the world's first, maybe not, but as far as I know, the world's first Crazyhouse960 match here in Lichess the other night. And what we did is we just pulled up a chess.com board to act as another, a non-rated game, of course, just a casual game. Just to act as a game clock. So when we made a move here, we would make a move on the other board. It's just a minimized window, and it worked just fine. But I'm sure if you use any third-party timer that allows multiple person access, that would work just as well. Because most Crazy House is played with either Blitz or Boolean rules, of course. So that's just a way to layer a timer on top of it. And aside from that, I think that's just about it. If you do want to change your starting position, so you want to play white or black, just flip the board. That's easy enough. And then you of course you can't send a seek out, so you're going to have to go back to members and add contributors to invite whoever you want to play to the study, and then you can just play from there. So again, I realize this is a little bit convoluted in terms of actual setup, but it's pretty easy just to make a Lichess study. And as far as I'm aware, there aren't yet any actual catered Crazyhouse960 interfaces on the web yet, so we're just making do with the resources we do have available and just getting creative. So that's it. Do let me know in the comments if you do try this out, how it works, how the Lichess study works to simulate this Crazyhouse960 madness. Let me know how you like this variant, what you think of it, whether you like or you don't like starting from a novel position, and let me know if you have any improvements on the way I'm going about this in terms of setup. So that should do it. Happy Crazyhouse960ing, I guess. Thanks, guys.